stupidest thing anybody could ever do. Are you gonna throw it in or not?
Hold up.
To show the fact she's holding it over a bag of fireworks. Now everybody run.
Hold up, Dad. Hold up.
Let me see my lighter.
It's about to blow up in y'all's faces. Back off.
I'm not supposed to breathe in plastic.
Marissa, take a few more steps back. It's about to blow up.
That's gonna be I get my lighter.
It's beautiful. Actually, it's quite pretty on my screen.
Here it goes, guys.
We're about to start a big fire. When you walk up, it's gonna blow up in your faces.
See, that's what I was trying to do.
Got it from the bottom, now it hit.
Start
From the bottom, now the whole team balling.
Yeah.
Got it from the bottom, now it hit. Just look inside the bag. He's gonna light a smoke bomb.
Dang, you have to send that to me, okay?
I will. Unless, only if we're not dead.
Here we go.
Oh, stop, Emily.
Hopefully you threw those fireworks back in there. Guys, we're about to die.
That's kind of warm here.
Does feel kind of nice. Once you hear like the sparks start flying, take a few steps back. Oh, I hear it. I hear it.
Oh my gosh, look at the paper, bro. Oh,
Bro,
that's
look
so
at that.
cool.
Look at that
Oh,
blue
look at
fire.
that. Isn't that cool looking?
What about those sparklers in there?
Oh, look at
Whoa.
that.
I'm gonna go get mine.
Guys, the best thing we could have done. By the way, we're stupid, so if we blow up, this is why. You see that fire right there? Wow. Like, this is not animated. It's not. It's just gonna get warm right here. Another one. DJ, cut it. Look at that blue fire. It's pretty. We set the bag of fireworks on fire. Oh, that was awesome. You
kind of a
missed it off the
firecracker.
part and went whoosh.
Uh-huh.
You missed the cool part and went whoosh. Let's just get warm. Toasty.
Very.
You missed it. Look,
Oh my gosh.
yeah, there were no more, Marissa. You cold?
Kind of.
Take a few steps closer.
I'm kind of scared, bruh.
You see that blue fire right there?
I know, right?
It's party. Party. Look at that. Graphics. Graphics, boo. Oh, look at that.
Pretty.
Wait, you gotta get the right angle to see it. It's another one. You missed a big flame. Oh, it's even more pretty on this side. There's pink.
I know.
If my phone will focus. Sorry, guys, you missed it. I think I'm gonna post this on YouTube. Oh, look at that. It's pink. This goes out to all them cancer kids. Feel bad for you. Oh. Looks like miniature logs. I'm just gonna get up in there.
Just enough.
Just enough for the flame to touch my camera.
Oh, that's so
Wait,
pretty.
there's pink flame. You're missing it. Oh, it hit my finger.
Oh, my face.
My finger, bruh.
That's so pretty though.
Blew up in my face. That's gonna blow up. Boo. You missed it. It did blow up. You missed it. You missed it. Friggin' blew up. Wait, it popped on us. see more blue flame. Why are we so amazed by this?
Because I'm like that kind of person that everybody loves. I see
We're that
blue?
kind of person who messes with fire. You see that blue? Guys, you see that blue? I'm gonna post this on YouTube.
Oh my god, that's
Plastic.
Can't you get like sick from that?
Yeah, so bye guys.